In this video we're going to learn how to delete watch history from YouTube. First of all, head to your YouTube application. You need to make sure you're logged in. Tap on your profile icon. It is located at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. This window will open. In the beginning you'll find history. There is an option called view all. Click view all. This is your watch history. If you want to delete watch history, tap on the three dot button. Select the second option, clear all watch history. Select clear all history from this menu. History is deleted. There is another interesting option. Tap on the three dot button. Click pause watch history. Click pause. If you watch any video,
Do you know that the Play Store on your phone has settings that track what you do?
if you watch video on
Do you
YouTube by pausing, if you select pause, then it won't appear in the watch history. That's how you can customize YouTube watch history. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.